Gonzalez. We are having way too much fun. If you're in the market for an e-bike and you want quality without the premium price tag, you're in the right place. We partnered with WindOne to share their S16 fat tire folding city rider e-bike. In our opinion, this e-bike is convenient for apartment living in tiny spaces, and it's lightweight and easy to fold. But more importantly, it's affordable. I'm giving you the unboxing experience of how your bike will look upon arrival. I love when a company takes the time to ensure what you are buying is properly protected. They made sure that you have a smooth experience from arrival to the first ride. They included everything you need for your e-bike. One battery charger with 2 keys, right and left pedals, user manual, installing tools, and of course the bike seat that has a really cool feature that I'll show in a bit. Everything is really done for you. We didn't use the manual not one time as we were setting up the handlebar. This has to be by far yet to date one of the easiest e-bikes that we ever set up. There's a lever under the seat that will lift the seat up, so you can take the battery out for charging. The seat is also adjustable. Just push down the thumb lever and your seat will go up and down. The pedal is super easy to put on and you really can't mess it up because it's marked right and left. Can't say it enough, this is truly the easiest bike that we've ever put together. This is the connection to your headlight. It was a little hard to see because it's so small, but we got it done. This is the battery. Charging time is between 5 and 6 hours. Long press the power button to check the battery level without turning on the bike, and the capacity of the battery will be displayed. To remove the battery, turn the key counterclockwise to the left. Then carefully slide the battery up and lift it off the frame, and here's where you will plug in your charger. After letting the battery fully charge, Otis is going to take you for a ride.
Hey, how you doing?
You guys are having way too much fun.
Yeah, I know, right?
Way too much fun.
I'm just amazed of the power that it has. I have a little bell on it. Look at it. First gear, look how fast I'm going. See, 18 miles per hour. First gear. And I weigh 230 pounds. That shows you right there how much power this bike has. Baby, I got about 18 on first gear. This is the face of the speedometer. It has a public assist from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the top gear. It will go to public assist wise, it'll go to. This here is the bell. It has 7 gear shift. You can change them right here. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you use your public assist, you can go up to maximum speed about 28 miles per hour. 230-pound person like myself, I can get it up to about 24 miles per hour. If this is your first time ever owning an electric bike, be careful. These throttles are very, very sensitive. Very, very sensitive. Slightest turn, it'll go. So be careful. It's in first gear, public assist 1, and it still got up to 18 miles per hour. Can you imagine when I go to the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and even 7th gear? This bike is amazing. I love it. At one time I thought I would have to get a bigger bike for more speed.
It also comes equipped with dual disc brakes, LED lights, and rear brake lights. The ride is stable and cushioned due to the fatter tires and suspension, and it absolutely has throttle and pedal assist, giving you energy and flexibility depending where you're going.
Fat tires, and which is good for out on the beach. It's good for the sand. Nice tires. Very beefy.
He's getting the hang of it. He had some trouble in the beginning because the bike does take off super duper fast, and it kind of had me worried. But you know, if it's going to be your first time getting an e-bike, we suggest you start off on maybe one. Oh Lord, look at him. So beautiful. I mean, look, we're watching the sunset. Look at that. So what you think? You're having fun?
Oh wow, this bike has some get up.
It does. I think you're getting the hang of it. In the beginning, you didn't. He had a wipeout, y'all. But thank goodness my baby's okay.
Well, some of the best have a wipe out.
Yes. Yep. So what do you suggest that people start out on? I was telling them one would be a good, you know.
Yes, one is excellent.
Okay.
So they can get used to the speed and especially the throttle.
Mm-hmm.
That's the key to throttle. They have to get used to that.
S16 is a great bike. It's a very powerful bike, especially at the price point. But if you live in a tiny home or a small apartment, the foldable design really come in handy and would easily fit into your house or your car. And if you'd like to see how Otis and I spent our time at one of the most luxurious RV resorts, head on over to Glamping with the Coopers. I know he doesn't look happy, but he's ecstatic inside.
Let's ride!
We had about a 3 Google-hour travel day, which is our favorite because that's more time for us to spend at this amazing RV resort with this beautiful lakeside view. Our stay at this resort, it was a stay we didn't know we needed. We went to many places, we seen interesting creatures, we cooked our own food, and tasted some really great food. So good. There will be a clickable link for your shopping convenience in the description. We'd like to give WindOne a sincere thank you for supporting and sponsoring Glamping with the Coopers.